Colosseum is one of the most famous ancient monuments in the world. And day in and day out, car after car drives around it. And they've made it filthy. Something has to be done. We are going to go up and see the conservation work in the Colosseum. We're going to the top. We're going to the nosebleed seats. It's going to be quite a ride. Thank you so much for having us. It's a great day. Yes. This is living history. Being on the outside of an elevator, going up 50 meters, really experiencing the Colosseum in the way that you couldn't do it in antiquity unless you were building it. This is a huge undertaking, and it's going to require a lot of skilled technicians. The project is to clean the stone travertine. It's gotten dirty from pollution and years of exposures. Gone from this that is clean, this of course when it was originally dirty.
Beh, io spero che questo progetto pilota di collaborazione tra privato e pubblico serva proprio per aprire la strada.
And with this project, it's going to be clean, and we're going to see that process take place right here on the Colosseum. This is the work in action. You can actually see the spray. It's non-invasive, not damaging the structure in any kind of way, and it's getting the job done, and it's taking away the grime that's accumulated on the Colosseum. Beyond the mechanical cleaning with the water, you also do work manually. Here, a restorer is working inch by inch and filling out the lacunae, the openings, with stucco. This is absolutely amazing to be this high up. I'm standing at the highest point of the Colosseum, and looking down, I'm realizing how massive the structure is. And where I'm standing right now at the top, this is where the sailors would work the awning systems, keeping the people, the spectators, in the shade on a hot summer day. What you get from this perspective, being at the top of the Colosseum, is you get all the centers of power, all that rich history. The Palatine Hill, the Roman Forum itself, and the Capitoline Hill. All of the center of ancient Rome. Experience the Colosseum like this, and seeing the conservation project firsthand, to me underlines just how precious this monument is. It's so much more though than the Colosseum. We're really talking about global heritage, and there are so many threats: urban expansion, pollution, climate change, looting, war. We've got to do something, we've got to act now. The Colosseum Conservation Project really is a pilot project, a rallying cry to get people involved in preserving our cultural heritage around the globe, our living history.